This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performances do not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk. There's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or trading will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading.
Welcome everybody, this is the market wrap for March 20th, 2007. In the news today, the Commerce Department reported the construction of new homes and apartments rose by 9% in February to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 1.525 million units. That represented a better than expected rebound after construction activity had plunged by 14% in January to the slowest pace in more than 9 years. But builders' application for new permits continued falling in February, dropping by 2.5% to an annual rate of 1.532 million units. That marked the 12th decline in the past 13 months for building permits. The FOMC, which has convened to review economic conditions and monetary policy, has an inflation bias. Economists believe the Fed will almost certainly keep monetary policy on hold for the 6th consecutive meeting, maintaining its federal funds rate at 5.25%. The FOMC announcement is scheduled for Wednesday afternoon at 2:15 Eastern Time. The Bank of Japan held its benchmark interest rate steady at 0.5% at the end of a 2-day policy meeting after lifting it a quarter point last month amid signs of continued economic growth. But data released earlier this month showed that consumer prices were flat for the first time in 8 months in January, fueling speculation that the central bank would hold off for quite a while before raising interest rates again. For stocks in the news, ABN AMRO Holdings and rival Barclays are in talks about combining the two banks in what would be one of the biggest cross-border deals in Europe banking history. The disclosures came amid reports that Barclays was considering a possible purchase of its smaller rival. At Monday's closing price, ABN AMRO was worth about $76 billion, while Barclays was valued at around $86 billion. Accredited Home Lenders Holding, continuing its struggle to remain liquid, said it secured a $200 million term loan finance commitment from Federal Capital Managed, backed by a warrant issue. The 5-year loan carries a 13% per year interest rate. Business software maker Progress Software Company said its first quarter earnings jumped 48% on increased software license and services revenue, but results still miss street forecasts. Profit for the quarter ending February 28th rose to $8.7 million or 20 cents per share, from $5.9 million or 13 cents per share a year ago. U-Storage Trust, a real estate investment trust focused on self-storage properties, said fourth quarter funds from operations rose 29% on an increase in rental income. The company also restated its result for 2004 and 2005 fiscal years, as well as the first 3 quarters of 2006 to correct errors. Scheduled economic reports for Wednesday will be the Energy Department oil inventories for the week of the 16th and the much looked after FOMC statement at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Time. For earnings on Wednesday, we have FedEx, Darden Restaurants, Morgan Stanley, Steinmart, Charming Shoppers, Herman Miller, and Ross Stores. Thank you very much, everybody. This has been the market wrap for March 20th, 2007.